Is it already recording?
It's recording. Go.
Okay. Hello, my name is Ethan Hewins, and in media class I took sports photography pictures. It's basically pictures on like active sports. Jen and Ed played some basketball, and I took some pictures of them. Something I learned from sports photography is when you're inside, your lighting's already all right. So the one thing that you really need to focus on is that little box on the inside of your camera, your focus box. And I actually was very bad at that, and a lot of my pictures were blurry. And so Mr. Jewell actually came in and helped me take some pictures. And my favorite picture that I have is of Jen, and she's in the middle of her shop form. And I definitely took that picture.
Hi, I'm Ella Dubois, and for my media project, I got to take pictures of the baseball team for a media type photo shoot, and it was in studio lighting, so I got to control that really well. The thing that I used the most was learning how f-stops work. Portrait photography and sports photography is pretty different because in sports you have a lot of motion, so you need to increase or decrease your shutter speed with that so that you don't get motion blur. And then with my studio type portraits, even though it's the baseball team and like I'm having them throw up the ball, I don't have to change that as much because it's in a fixed environment.
Hi, my name is Genevieve McDowell, and I took landscape and wildlife portraits. We went to Mark Youngdahl conservation area to take my pictures. We went on a field trip. It was very fun. The biggest game changer for my photos was the shutter speed. It helped make the sky look more vibrant and more blue and less white. When I went to take my photos, the shutter speed was set to an indoor setting, and it had to be changed to adapt to the natural lighting. My favorite photo is one of a cardinal sitting in a tree, and we used a 70 to 200 zoom lens. We shot it with a Canon R5, which is a 45 megapixel camera, and we shot with that camera so that it was easy to crop and edit in Lightroom. You've now seen our 3 favorite photos from each of our sessions, but we actually took a little over 300 photos. So now you will see our 25 favorite action, portrait, and wildlife photos that we took.